Well, this just snuck right up on me. And then look at all this. People just don't expect someone else coming around. Ruined his day.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Township Road 18 Southeast.
So I am on Salem Road. And as you can see, this is getting ready to go back to gravel. Oops, missed my turn. Okay, I just came from that other direction. I was supposed to make this turn, but I was so focused on that car, I blew it. So, I had to make a U-turn. Alright, here we go. Why is it when it's going up really bumpy uphill stuff, your nose starts to itch? Is that like a law or something? Wow, look at the turkeys. 3 of them. 3 turkeys. Is that good luck or bad luck? This road so far has just been simply heaven. This part of my route is over, I believe, in 4 miles, and I think I'm going to be in New Lexington, and if I am, hopefully I can find breakfast. I'm hungry. I mean, I'm just putting along, what, 22 mile an hour in 2nd gear? And that's like a washboard. Just enjoying the sights and the smells. That was a little loose, that took me by surprise. Well, someone's dogs. Hello, puppies. Oh, shoot. What would he do if he caught me, right? Oh, shoot. Alright, turn on to Highway 216 and another 2 miles. An old graveyard. Gotta love eating dust, right? Well, we're about to get off this and get back on pavement for a little bit at least. Hey, look, a lumber mill. Cool. Oh boy, does that fresh cut lumber smell good or what? Why don't they bottle that up and make a candle scent out of it? Like fresh cut hay. Nothing smells better in the spring than fresh cut hay. That should be a candle scent. Anyway, I don't know if you can see the GPS, but we're about ready to turn onto State Route 216 right up here at the stop sign. Alright, I thought this would be a fitting place to throw some stuff in here. I'm in Murray City. Check out the old train station. Hocking Valley Railroad. Of course, there's no railroad here anymore, but this is really cool. Okay, this next portion is from Murray City here. And I am on State Route 78 right now. If you've ever heard of Rocky boots, well, sort of this is where they come from. They used to be made here in Nelsonville, Ohio. I took a little side detour on my route here just to kind of show you this real quick, but unfortunately, like a lot of things, their production has moved to China. Since they built the US 33 bypass, it's the first time I've been in Nelsonville in quite a while, and wow, it looks like it's kind of going downhill. Okay, here's your Rocky Boot outlet store. They now have a grill in there. I've never been to it. Don't know if it's any good or not. Of course, when I'm usually in this area, I'm bypassing this now that they have the bypass. No pun intended. Well, that was a bust. If there was a nice little diner to have breakfast at in Nelsonville, I sure couldn't find one. All kinds of taverns and fast food garbage, but no thank you. I don't need to eat that bad. I got plenty of fat reserves. But anyway, I'm on the old 33 right now, heading west. Garmin has been anything but helpful as far as getting me on my track that I'm doing backwards. So we'll see how this turns out. I'll check back in a bit. Alright, I'm going to make a left on Laurel Run here, off of 33 West, and hope my good old Garmin gets back on track, pun intended. Lime Bank Road. We are making a right-hand turn. Still pavement. But beautiful. Pavement or gravel, it's kind of hard to argue with this view, isn't it? And so far, if you want to be in a spirited mood, which I'm not today, then you could have some fun on this road, I think. Except it is a little bumpy. Well, we're making a right on Vickers Road here. The road back there was closed, and I don't know if this will get me by it or not, but I know based on looking at the GPS, it'll take me right back to it. Guess we'll find out in a couple of minutes, huh? Well, it brought me out right at the road closed sign, so lovely. Okay, gotta figure something out. See you, bye. That's Line Bank Road. I was just on it. The road behind me, which is what I was going to stay on, is closed. The first detour I tried to make didn't work, so we're going to go try another one over here. The GPS makes it look like it's going to work. We're going to go up here to Nickel Plate Road and make a left. Alright, here we go, Nickel Plate Road. Now, I think if I turn left up here on Buckingham Road, it'll take me out right on the other side of the closure. If not, it'll be like the 4th or 5th or whatever U-turn of the day. Win, lose, or draw, it's a nice road. And of course, I get the rough patch as soon as I say that. But in theory, this should get me by that closed section of road. Okay, this seemed to have worked. Back on the road I meant to be on. Well, GoPro's not wanting to cord right, but I am on Tick something road right now. And we found gravel again. Okay. It's not a complete loss. It is Tick Ridge Road. That's what I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. So look out for ticks. Okay, this is by far the loosest of all the roads I've been on so far. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but it's just pure gravel. Views are nice though, for what little I can see of them. Looks like we're going to come up on State Route 328. And we are. There it is. We're going to hang a left up here. Alright, I don't know if it's by design or by fault, but we're going to spend a little bit of time on Ohio State Route 56 heading east. And we're going to head back south now on State Route 278. Remember, right? That's the area where the Moonville Tunnel is. Now we're going to try 2 Mile Road right here. Wonder how long it is. Alright. We're back at the Zaleski State Forest, and that's basically where the Moonville Tunnel is, but it's down that way. Oh, this isn't gravel. Whatever. Alright, let's see where this goes. Be back in a bit. Alright, it looks like I'm going to make a left here. Bolin Township. Okay. Oh no, I'm sorry. Brown Township, Bolin Road. Well, it looks like it turned into gravel again. But really, really tiny stuff too. Okay, eyes up. I think this is right, but yep, it looks like it. Okay. Not sure the road name right now, but we're getting ready to make a left. I think this is taking me into Zaleski State Forest, maybe? Okay, here I am making another left. Long Ridge 15? I think that's what this is. Yeah, as I come back into Chip and Seal, I'm pretty sure this is going to bring me right back into the park area of the state forest. Okay, I was right. I checked on these cabins. They're only around $100 a night, and they're pretty nice. Back on 278 North, just to make a right. Zaleski ODNR Complex. Okay, and I guess we're going to go past the Moonville Tunnel again. It's alright. I've never done it from this direction. This might be different. Alright, shortly after I get through this one-lane bridge here, the Moonville Tunnel will be over there on my left, and if you're not familiar with it, I do have a video all about it on my channel with a brief history, but basically it used to be a rail line, and I believe Chessie System is the last rail system that owned it. And it's said to be haunted because of so many deaths in this area, because it was the best way to travel between towns is just to follow the railway. And right here it is. And go figure, it's very popular today. It might show up on videos, so if you're interested in the area, check out my video on it. I'll try to post a link or something, or just Google it, like everything else in life, right? Well, here's a road I've never been on, Mace. Let's find out where this goes and how hard and or difficult it is to ride for a newbie like myself.
Hey, I think I'm going to end the video right here. I appreciate you watching. If you would, give me a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already, mash that subscribe button. Give me a share, and I will see you in the next video, part 7 coming soon.